Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I do have another Maniology box of magic here. I did unbox this a few videos back, but I actually ordered two. And this one I wanted to put in a giveaway. So I was doing a surprise giveaway. I just want to show support to everybody who likes, comments, you know, always shows support to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. So anybody that commented on the video where I unboxed this was entered into the giveaway. So yes, I just want to show my appreciation. I really do appreciate everybody taking their time to watch the videos and comment. It means a lot to me. So I just want to say thank you. So yes, this is a brand new box. So yeah, I just want to show my appreciation. So yes, I already went ahead and did. All right, sorry I had to stop filming because my son had come downstairs. So yeah, I already put in the video and everything, and there was 36 comments. So we're gonna go ahead and pick a winner. Mama does nails. All right. Yes, you are the winner. Congratulations, Mama. Yes, thank you for all your support. I truly appreciate it. Yes, you won the box of magic, Manioilogy box. Oh, how exciting. Yes, girl, go ahead and contact me on Instagram so I can get your all your shipping details. But yeah, you're gonna win this box, and then I do have some other goodies that I'm gonna be putting in the box also. So yay, I'm so excited for you. Thank you for your support once again. Go check out Mama Does Nails. Her videos are just amazing. She is so funny too. She has her where she does her little client that comes in, the little role play. Oh, I absolutely love it. Hilarious. And just her designs are always gorgeous. She's just so creative. So yes, congratulations once again, Mama Does Nails. Yes, I will be doing some random giveaways here and there, just secret ones. So yeah, make sure you're commenting, you know, liking the videos. Sometimes I'll put maybe something in the description. I don't know, just wanted to do something fun. But yeah, I just think I was like, somebody has to have this box because it's just amazing. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.